Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's been a quite long time since you guys have heard me. But yeah, don't worry, I'm absolutely fine. Just been into a lot of things lately. So in recent we have seen the market have been saturated with a lot of high-end phones. And most of the users are confused when it comes to their pockets. So in this regard, previous flagships are considered a good buy. In our upcoming videos, we will be taking a look at some of the options available to buy and see if they are actually worth now. So today we have the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G. Released back in 2020, the trendsetter phone rocking the 108 megapixel camera onto the scene, which was then adopted by many other brands. Boy, oh boy, it is a beauty to look at. Shiny curved glass meets the buffed metal. Its reflective back can literally double as a mirror. If you can get enough of yourself, this is the phone for you. The phone's glass front is scratch resistant Gorilla Glass 5. With a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED screen, the Mi 10 certainly isn't a small phone, packing a comparable footprint to the latest iPhone Pro Maxes, but that big, bold screen makes for an immersive on-the-go pocket cinema. Thanks to a hole-punch camera, Xiaomi achieves a low-end bezel 90% screen-to-body ratio. Just matching today's standards, 1080 multiplied by 3040 resolution, the 386 ppi pixel density means clarity is comparable too. With HDR10 Plus support and thanks to 90Hz screen refresh rate is just so smooth. As mentioned earlier, the 108 megapixel camera, you might expect something too close to A+ grade, but I must say, Xiaomi was lacking to just A. The main camera isn't up there, it's down to the fact that there is no telephoto camera around the back. The 108 megapixel camera is spec'd out with 1.7 aperture and OIS, 13 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.4 as well as 2 megapixel macro module and a depth sensor. But on the video side of things, this thing is just somewhat a camera machine. Like shooting up to 8K, yes, you heard it right, 8K at 30 frames per second. The 20 megapixel selfie camera is perfectly respectable with its wide angle aperture f2.0. Talking about software features, we have seen Xiaomi stepping up their game quick, getting rid of all the quirky apps and providing you latest update till date. As far as performance is concerned, apps and games go smooth thanks to a Snapdragon 865 chipset. It's little wonder that the Mi 10 flies and handles 108 megapixel images so much better than the underpowered Mi Note 10 before it. With a 4780 mAh cell, it's packing more milliamp hours than most. The real world results stack up well, with the Mi 10 losing around 7% battery after an hour full of HD video at max brightness. The added cherry on top is 30-watt fast charging. The Xiaomi Mi 10 looks and feels like a 5-star phone, and its screen is also so gorgeous. But if you're just considering it for your go-to photo taking device, I might not recommend it in the first place. But otherwise, hands down a stellar device for power users, for those who want immersive display. So yes, it's recommended in 2022. That's up guys for this video. Hoping to see you soon. Till then, I like would appreciate us. Take care. Peace out.